everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a demo and review on the Harry Potter Cauldron Bath Bomb by Ambience by Sarah. This bath bomb is scented in Sex on the Beach and will reveal which Hogwarts house I am to be sorted into. So now without further ado, I'm just going to get this little guy right into the tub. Alright guys, so that one's all fizzed out and it has revealed me to be in Gryffindor. Does that make... No, that didn't make any sense. The Cauldron has revealed Gryffindor, so it has sorted me into Gryffindor, and we got this little Hagrid toy on the inside. Very cute. Just going to sit him on the edge of the bathtub while I have a soak, and then I'll let you guys all know what I thought about it afterwards. Okay guys, so I'm done with my bath. There's just a little bit of pigmentation left on the bottom of the tub. Obviously that washes out really easily. Now I do have to say that I really enjoyed this bath bomb. The watercolor was really cool. Not overly happy with the fact that I was sorted into Gryffindor, but it's all good. So once again, here are the prizes that I got from out of my cauldron. The mini Hagrid popped out while I was filming, and later on I picked up the cauldron that was sitting at the bottom of the tub, and as I picked it up, the necklace fell out. I really enjoyed the scent. I really enjoyed watching the cauldron spin around the tub, and it was really cool once that color started coming out. Bath bombs like this are really good for kids and collectors alike. So anyway guys, if you'd like to see more by Ambience by Sarah, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys!